Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn Now from your learning partner. Today we have an exciting tutorial for you on how to enable the ChatGPT extension in Google Chrome. If you're eager to unlock the potential of AI-generated content while browsing, you're in the right place. Step 1. Open Google Chrome. The first step is to open Google Chrome. Make sure you're using the Chrome browser for this tutorial. Step 2. Access the Chrome Web Store. Next, we need to access the Chrome Web Store, where you can find and install various extensions. Step 3. Search for ChatGPT extension. In the search bar, type ChatGPT extension and hit Enter. This will display the relevant extension for you. Step 4. Select the ChatGPT extension. Click on the ChatGPT extension from the search results to view more details about it. Step 5. Add to Chrome. To enable ChatGPT, click the Add to Chrome button. You'll be prompted to confirm the installation. Step 6. Confirm the installation. Confirm the installation by clicking Add Extension in the dialog box. Step 7. Wait for installation. Wait a moment while the extension is being installed. It'll only take a few seconds. Step 8. Extension successfully added. Great! You'll see a confirmation message that the ChatGPT extension has been successfully added to your browser. Step 9. Open ChatGPT extension. To start using ChatGPT, simply click the ChatGPT icon in your Chrome toolbar. Step 10. Configure settings. You can configure the settings to personalize your ChatGPT experience. Make sure to explore these options. We have created a comprehensive 1-hour course on utilizing ChatGPT, and it comes with a certification upon completion as display on screen. The link to the course is available in the description. Additionally, we are currently offering an early bird discount for just Rs.99, so act fast before the offer expires. Until then, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.